Neetu, I'll be clicking on live now. You've already.
Good evening, all of you. Let's start in another 1 minute. Let's just wait who all, most students will be joining us. So I think meanwhile, those of you here, you can please introduce yourself so that we would really like to know who all have joined and where all you've joined from. I mean, from all across the country, where all you have joined. So please go ahead and introduce yourself. Let's start in another 1 minute, okay? Okay, let's start. Very good evening to each and every one of you. My name is Neetu Peter. I am taking today's orientation session. Thank you for joining this session on a short notice because I know you all have received the email just yesterday. And we are really enthusiastic to see, how excited you all are. That's what shows that you are here to be part of the Global Impact Festival. I'm sure most of you have attended the orientation session about 3 weeks back and have some idea about the festival. And some of you have even submitted your ideas, and few of them have even been shortlisted. So the reason why we organized this orientation session is since then there are some small changes that has happened. So we wanted to update you all on that. So without losing much time, I would really like to run you all by the festival page. So I think most of you who are following us on social media, who are on AISC, Responsible AF Youth, you all would know by now that the website link, that is aiglobalimpactfestival.org. So this is the page that I'm sharing here on my screen, what you're seeing. So to access this, I'm repeating again, aiglobalimpactfestival.org. That will be shared on the chat as well, the link. So as you see, this festival is going to be, launched on 15th of October. It's live from 15th of October till 30th of October. And when we say 15th of October, 15th of October in Japan. So for us, it will be launched at 8:30 p.m. today. So that's how you see in 4 hours, 22 minutes, 8 seconds, we are going live. That is the time that you see on the screen. So for us, we will be going live at 8:30 this evening. Okay. I would like to quickly run you through what all we have in the festival. So as I told you, it is from 15th to 30th. And if you go a little down, you can see the highlights of the festival. We have people, individuals, organizations participating from 20 plus countries from across the globe. And we have around 200 plus AI impact solutions that's going to be showcased on this platform from 8:30 today till 30th. And there is an award pool worth USD 200,000 dollars. So these are the highlights of the festival, and for the first time, Intel is coming up with a festival of a global magnitude. So I'm really excited to be part of it. I'm sure you all are. Just to run you by the three categories that we have. One is celebrate. When you click on the celebrate, you will be able to see there are about when you go to the portal at 4:30, I mean at 8:30 when this gets launched, you have the clips of about 4 Intel leaders speaking about AI and Intel initiatives. And you will also have AI gaming arena, and you'll be able to click selfies with AI Impact Festival branding, which you will be able to share on your social media handles. And you will get to witness AI innovations and best practices from around the world by students of your age, teachers, education organizations, and also what is that the government has done in terms of applying AI in their daily routines to making things better for people. So you will get to witness all of that, and you will also get to vote for your favorite AI idea by students and help them win awards. I will tell you more about this a little further when I talk to you about Compet. Okay. So the second part is learn. So this is the most interesting part because you will get to do a 45 minutes micro learning module. And this is the main highlight of the festival, because once you do complete this course, you will be able to download an Intel certified certificate. You will be able to download, and which again you will be able to share it on your social media. At the same time, there's an engaging AI ideation skills that is going to be shared with you, and there will be several links and platforms that will be shared with you then and there during the session. So definitely you should attend both of this. And third one is also a very important aspect, that is AI impact talks. We have experts talking about different aspects of AI, and the different aspects like the technical aspects of it, AI ethics, women in AI, and they all come from, most of them are from the global platform. They will, and I even saw some of them have even shared their contact details, so that if the students or teachers or as schools, if you are interested in taking up something, you can get in touch with them. So I would really suggest you have to go through all of these videos, because this will really enrich your understanding about AI, and that will really a great addition to the direction that you're going towards. So please try to do that. And there is also a resource center which has a lot of resources that are downloadable. So you should definitely explore all of these in the learn section, and that's something I would suggest all of you should explore and try to uh, get maximum out of it. Similarly, if you go to Compet section, uh, we have, as I was saying, we have received entries from 20 plus countries, and all the shortlisted entries have been put on the platform country wise. So once the platform goes live, you will be able to go see country wise the shortlisted projects in each of these categories, that is AI enthusiast 100 by students, and AI impact creators, and AI impact shapers by teachers, and AI impact catalysts by education organizations. So you will be able to go see that. And the most important thing is you will be able to go and vote for the best ideas. So that is the best part about this. And the next important thing is anybody, whatever I said, the small change that happened was, earlier we had told that you had to register and all of that. Now anybody can come and attend the festival. There is no registration needed. We will not be collecting your email ID, name, or anything of that sort. So anybody is welcome and attend and gain as much as knowledge as possible about AI. So we are just keeping this open and welcoming everybody to come and learn. That's the important highlight. And the platform goes live, as I told you at the beginning, on 15th October, and it will remain live till 30th October. And the link for the festival is aiglobalimpactfestival.org. I think it will be shared with you again in the chat by us. So there are three important points that you need to remember. Is that one, we have students, being part of this program from across the globe. There are 20 plus countries, and India is one of them. So we have projects from India. So when you go see videos, projects by the students, make sure you vote for the ideas that are from India. So we should work as a team, and that will help uh, our students from India to take their projects to the next level. So I would request all of you, when you're there on the platform, when you're going and seeing the projects, along with the projects that you vote that you like from the other countries also, please keep in mind to vote for the projects that are from India, so that let's help them to take it to the next level. And voting for the projects, what I just told you, has a time window that is only possible from today 8:30 when the event gets launched. From then 19th October 12:30 p.m. So this is the time window to vote, even though the entire program, the festival is open till 30th October. The voting for the projects, AI Enthusiast 100 projects, is possible only till 19th of October till 12:30 p.m. IST. So please keep that in mind. Make sure you visit and see the projects and vote for the projects between that timeline. And second important point I would request you to remember is doing this micro learning module, because as you complete it, it will give you an Intel certificate, and it's like certified online course by Intel. And you will also get to learn what is AI, get to train your own object detection models, and get to know about OpenVINO. So I would urge and request all of you to go ahead and do this course and get your certificates. And based on the time that you spend on the platform, you also get really cool badges. It depends on the timeline that you spend. So the level of badges get upgraded as per the amount of windows a person has explored. So make sure that you spend enough time, watch all the videos by the leaders, by the AI impact talks and all the projects, and try to learn as much as you can and get the best badge so that you should be able to download it and again share it on your social media. And with all this, I would also request you to popularize the festival and take it to as many as you can, to everybody in your school, in your family, in your circles. Take it and talk about the festival on your social media handle. Please use hashtag AI Impact Fest, because when you do this when you use this hashtag in your tweets, it gets published on our platform. So basically you have a chance to get your tweets featured on the festival platform. So that would be very interesting, and you can tweet it and come back and see whether it has been featured. So these are all the things that the improvisations that happened since the last orientation session. So that's what we wanted to share with you all. If you have any questions around the same, you can please post it on the chat. I would be able to take those questions and answer it here. Do we have any questions? As I told you, please make sure that you go visit all the projects and vote for the projects by teams in India. And I'm sure you will help us make India proud, and we will be able to, show what is it we're capable of on a global platform. No, you cannot submit the ideas now. There is a question asking, is it possible to submit ideas now also? No, there was a deadline for that. That is the reason we had the last orientation requesting students to submit the ideas. So now that is done. Whatever shortlisted projects is going to be live from today, from 8:30. So we will not be taking any further applications now. No, sorry. Yeah, the selected students have already received the mails also, and those are the projects that you will be able to see once the portal goes live today. So we are looking forward to have you all to learn about AI, watch all the impact talks, and check out the projects by the other students. Students of your age from across the globe, what all ideas that they come up with. You might be very interested to know that. And to get connected with the experts, hear them talk, and see where we all heading to. I mean, how the future of AI looks like, and come be part of the program. And please remember to vote for Team India and get your uh, certificates and put it up on social media. And remember to hashtag AI Impact Fest. Remember hashtag AI Impact Fest. So I'm assuming there are no more questions. So we are good to end the meeting, I think. So thank you so much for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. So see you at the fest.